Alright guys, so for the oil pan, you'll need a 14 millimeter. We'll remove the bolt here for the oil to drain out. Alright, so that shit was a bummer because I thought I was recording the whole time and it didn't record, but pretty much this is the housing for it. And you gotta put this on here like this in order to remove it. Once you remove it using this piece here, make sure it drains out. Take out the oil filter. Or the oil filter on a Toyota Corolla 2011. Alright, so when you check the oil, you just gotta be between the two little dots you see here on the stick, the dipstick, and then you'll be good. So I guess just empty out the can since it's already pretty good. I only got like very little bit, just dump it in there, and then like any other little tiny bit, it would just burn it off, and that's it. And then for the old oil, we'll just dump it back in the can here, the one we use, and then take it to O'Reilly so they can recycle it. Unless you have chainsaws and stuff, the majority of the time this is really good lubricant for the oil side on the chainsaw. You can also use that. But that's really up to you.